Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and thanks ever so much for joining us in today's training call. Now, the question for today is, what is JVZoo? Maybe you've heard of this platform before, maybe you're a complete newbie and you've got no idea what I'm talking about. But in today's session, we're going to answer that very question and discover just what this particular network is all about. Now, let's dive straight over and jump into their website, take a look around so you can discover exactly why I use JVZoo to profit on a daily basis. Let's go check this out. Alright, welcome inside the JVZoo login page. Now, down below this YouTube video, you're going to find a link down there. And when you come through, it's going to bring you through to this page here. This is the JVZoo homepage. And you'll see here there's a number of different ways here that you can sign up. Now, this is completely free, guys. You can sign up here on the where it says here free sign up, here where it says begin your journey here. Alright, these are completely free and you're going to be able to create your own JVZoo account that you can use. Now, the beauty of JVZoo is this is going to connect you as an affiliate, which is what we're talking about through these training sessions, to a huge army of product vendors. It means you're going to be able to find amazing products that you're going to be able to promote and earn commissions on. In fact, this is one of the things I personally love the most about JVZoo. You're going to be able to easily discover some top converting products, high quality softwares, information products, products in the make money online niche, products in the business opportunities niche, products in the social media and the marketing niches. You have so many products under one roof. Let me show you just how easy it is to find products and how I go about using JVZoo to find high quality products that I can recommend as an affiliate to my tribe. Check this out. Now, you can go in and actually find all of the previous products that have launched across JVZoo and find out how well they converted. Now, that word converted basically means how well they've performed. And you'll see here the first product that's brought me up here, it has done 114,500 funnel sales. So throughout this funnel, what we call a funnel, so where you go in and you buy the first product and it's going to offer you something else and something else, that's called a funnel, right? It converted at 9.3%. The average price was $31.47. So if you do 114,500 times $31, that's like 3.6 million if my maths is correct, at a 3% refund rate. So that's really, really great. The one thing that's not great is if we look over here, this launched in 2014. So this is now 5 years old. All right, this launched 5 years ago. So we want to click here and click launch date and go ahead and search for products that launched today or in the last few days, because you always want to be promoting stuff that is relatively new. Now, that doesn't mean it has to have come out this week. It doesn't mean it has to have even come out this month, but it should definitely have been really this year, unless it is a product that is constantly being updated and improved, in which case then it's quite alright if it's a product that was a little bit older, if they're renewing it and they're keeping it updated. But if it's just a one-time price product, then you want to make sure that it's fairly new. Now, you'll see a lot of products here that have less than 10 sales, so these are going to be of no interest to us. Let's go to page 2. And we want to find something that's launched in the last couple of days that's done at least a couple of hundred sales, so we can get an idea of how well that particular offer is performing. Now, this is one of the great secrets really to finding products that you can promote. And the way in which you actually look for these products and you find them really can have a massive impact on what kind of success you see. So let's take a look at this product here. This product is called BotStar, and we can see this launched yesterday. This launched on the 1st of August. Now, they've done 500 plus sales in the front end and 500 plus sales in the overall funnel. And if we scooch over here to the left hand side and click this little funnel, we can see what they've done. So we can see here we've done 500 plus sales on the front end, 200 plus on the deluxe, which is the first upgrade. The platinum has done 100 plus, which is the third upgrade, and then the training bootcamp has done 75 plus sales, and that is of course the last upgrade. Now, what we're interested in is this number here. This is what the conversion was. So this means 6.97%, alright? So that is how many people as a percentage, so obviously out of 100, have gone through to that sales page and ended up buying, okay? And that's for the front end product, and that's for the product overall throughout the funnel. Now 6.97 is definitely a little bit on the low side, if I'm being completely honest. Again, scroll over here, $3.28, and that's EPC, that's earnings per click, okay? So that's what they're earning there for every click that's being sent through. You've then got $47.10. This is the average price that people are paying. So if you want to know how much money this launch has made right now, you can do 59.80 times it by 500 for the funnel, and that will give you a ballpark figure. Now it's going to be more because it's 500 plus, and the next bracket is 1,000 plus, but that hasn't kicked in yet, but it's going to give you an idea. Alright, and the refund rate across it all is 1.02, which is fine, okay? 1% refund rate is absolutely fine. Now what you do for this one, you just go ahead and click request approval, and you can go through and actually request approval to promote it. Now I've already got my link in here, alright, because I'm already approved to promote this particular product, but you'd be able to go in here and you would be able to get your link. Now what this means for this particular product is it's going to pay me 50%, that's the payout. The commission is going to be paid instantly, so I'm going to get that money the second the sale happens, and then I have my affiliate link here which I can use to send traffic to, which is then going to send people to the sales page. Now what happens here is if I just take this link here and let's just say go to that particular page, all that this is going to see, this is what the customer is going to see. They're going to go straight to the BotStar sales page, but I'm now going to be cookied in as the affiliate. So if I go to buy this particular product, you'll see that I'm in there as the affiliate and would earn money on that sale. So it said here you've been referred by Dan Bradley, and that's my affiliate ID. Alright, so that shows that the sale has been recommended by me, and I would earn 50% there of this $47 when someone was to actually buy this particular product, right? Now the other cool thing we can do is we can actually look at the top sellers list, and this is going to show us the most profitable launches right now, either by total revenue or the total number of sales. And again, we see this BotStar commercial come up. This is the front end version of BotStar. So far today, this is the top selling product, and this is probably because up here as well you've got the JVZoo product of the day, and this product has been recommended as the product of the day. So of course JVZoo is going to email everyone about it. They put it up on their website and say, hey, you want to check out this product because this is a really cool product that you want to take a look at. So they're going to do that as well and send traffic into their funnel. And this is really how easy JVZoo is to find products to promote as an affiliate. And guys, there are thousands and thousands and thousands of products here across multiple niches. It's very, very easy for you to go ahead and find the perfect product to create. Well, this brings us towards the end of today's training session, and I hope you've got a lot of value out of it and now have a pretty good idea what JVZoo is all about and why I choose to align myself with this network and how that network allows me to profit as an affiliate on a daily basis. Now what you guys need to do is go down below this YouTube video. There should be a link somewhere down below this video, or if you're already on the page, you'll see it just down below if you're already on the bridge page. But go down a page, it's going to look like this, okay? Scroll along down and you will find there this little logo that you've seen a couple of times already that says JVZoo. Click on that and it will bring you through to the JVZoo homepage where you can sign up for a free account. So go ahead, grab yourselves a free JVZoo account and get ready for the next stage of our training. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you've got that notification bell turned on, because we have got more exciting and actually life-changing training coming very soon. Thanks for watching wherever you are around the world. Hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you on the next training call. Bye for now.